How to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to stop sharing your real-time location with friends on the Snap Map. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on the Snap Map icon at the top left. From there, tap on the gear icon at the top right of the map. At this point, look for the toggle labeled Ghost Mode at the top of this settings screen. In the next step, tap on it to turn it on. Following this, a menu will pop up asking how long you'd like Ghost Mode to stay active. Once done, choose from options like 3 hours, 24 hours, or until I turn it off again. From here, once selected, your location will no longer be visible to anyone on the map, even close friends. At this stage, your Bitmoji will disappear from the map entirely while Ghost Mode is active. Keep in mind, turning on Ghost Mode doesn't affect other privacy settings, like who can message you or view your story. It only controls location sharing. Finally, tap the same toggle again anytime you're ready to turn Ghost Mode off and resume sharing your location. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on Ghost Mode on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.